Still building pivot tables the slow way? Bro, Excel has dropped the PivotBy function and it's a beast. Let me show you. Say you've got sales data with state, IGST, GST rate, and taxable value. Now, you want to know the total IGST group by state and GST rate? Here's the formula. Equal to pivot by open bracket L2 to L22, that's the state column, comma I2 to I22, that's the GST rate column, comma K2 to K22, the IGST column, comma sum, close bracket, boom. In one formula, Excel gives you a pivot style summary all inside a cell. No drag and drop, just smart, simple summarizing. Follow Mazadar tricks and tips for more such content.